What's up, everyone? In this video, we'll talk about the 4 stocks that are primed for swing trade, momentum trade, and long-term investment that has an upside potential of 10 to 30% gain in this coming days and week. I'll provide you a quick overview of the technical analysis, stock price prediction, and news catalysts that are driving up the price actions. So you probably want to watch all the way to the end of the video. Stick around. Sawasdee Krap, that's hello in Thai, and welcome to Quantum Finance. My name is Anthony, and I'm a former engineer and data analytics turned entrepreneur and investor. My prior career, I was very successful in creating predictive models for Fortune 500 companies in Silicon Valley using historical data to predict future outcomes. I applied my knowledge to my own portfolio, and in the past 12 months, grew it more than 550%. In this channel, I focus on high growth and disruptive technology stocks for short-term momentum trades and long-term investments. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back and thank you for your support. Please help us grow this channel by hitting the sub button below. Make sure to hit the notification button so you get my latest video update. While you're at it, do hit and like and share the video. I will see you down there. Please note that this video is for entertainment purpose only. I'm not licensed. However, that does not mean that I won't present you with facts and trading ideas that will supercharge up your portfolio. No BS and straight to the point. So let's get right into it. I'm going to provide a high overview of the stock as I want to cover them as quickly and as short to the point as possible. I want to state that I'm not being paid by any of the stocks mentioned in this video or in any of my videos. Also, this is not a buy or sell recommendation. Please do perform your own DD or due diligence and buy at your own risk. I do have to disclose that all these 4 stocks mentioned in this video I have position in. So let's get right into it. First up is Nano Dimension. NNDM is an Israeli 3-3 additive printer company. It closed on Friday at $13.87. It was up 32 cents or 2.36% on a trading volume that is 70% of the normal volume. NNDM has been on a downward trend as of late due to its recent stock offering. As of Friday, NNDM closed its $500 million registered direct offering. It appears to have bounced off the $13.50 support level. Its MACD is in the bearish territory. RSI is at the center line and is reversing to the upside. There is an early indicator that NNDM will be reversing its course. Combined with this, the Bollinger bandwidth is contracting for the past 2 trading sessions. Anytime you have a range contraction, you will get a range expansion. And therefore, I anticipate a pop in NNDM come next week on Monday or Tuesday. When NNDM spike, it can spike up as fast as 10 to 20% gain. I anticipate this to go to $15 to $16 level and test the $16.20 resistance level. If it breaks through, it will continue its run to the $17 to $18 level. I'm long on NNDM and have been cost averaging since it was a $3 stock. To date, I'm up 253%. Next up is Starpeak Energy or STPK, which is reverse merging with STEM, STEM. STEM uses artificial intelligence to optimize clean energy asset, and it supplies its customer with digitally connected storage networks. On January 12, 2021, I made a video recommendation to buy STPK when it was at $25.49. Had you bought in STPK at the recommended time of my video, you would have profited at least 82%. I've been cost averaging and I'm now up at 71%. On Friday, it closed at $46.40. It was up $2.65 or 6.06% gain. This is on a 78% of normal trading volume. Its MACD is very bullish, RSI is increasing and heading into the overbought territory. Its Bollinger bandwidth range is expanding. This happens when the price is volatile. In this case, price is moving higher. The overall trend is moving higher. Do note that STPK has created a trading pattern. For every 2 to 3 days it goes up, the next 1 to 2 days it dips down. This creates a step where it creates a higher high and higher lows. News catalyst that is driving up the price is the fact that analysts now state that it's undervalued compared to its peers. It is the biggest player in the energy storage network, with Tesla just behind it. Do note that Citron, a famous short seller, has called STPK the most compelling alternative energy stock, and it gives it a $100 price target. Also, the next catalyst on the horizon is that it will complete its reverse merger by the end of March, at which STPK will change to STEM, stock ticker. My price target up to the merger is $65 to $70 range. Do note that it will fluctuate via step function as it moves higher. I am long on STPK. Next up is SENS Holdings or SENS. It is a medical technology company with a focus that design, development, and commercialization of glucose monitoring system. This is the future of diabetic monitoring system where they implant a chip under your skin on your arm and it connects to your mobile phone app for its reading. It has a huge potential. On February 12th, I made a video that if it breaks above the $4.20, that SENS would go up to $5 to $5.50 level. It formed another bullish pole flag pendant and it traded in the $5 range as predicted. I also stated it looks like it was about to form a third bullish pole flag pendant. I anticipate another spike up next week. This time it will reach the $6 to $8 range. On Friday, it closed at $4.63. It was up 12 cents or 2.66%. It traded in a normal volume. Its MACD is still bullish, but waning a little bit. RSI is still in the overbought territory. Watch for a breakout above the $5.10 level. If confirmed, the price target will be between $6 to $6.50. The next news catalyst will be when it gets FDA approval. Once approved, trust me on this one, it will skyrocket to the moon. This will easily become a $10 to $15 stock overnight. So it's a very good time to load up the shares right now if you have not already done so. Do note that there is a risk that FDA may not grant approval. Lastly is SOS Limited or SOS. This is a Chinese cryptocurrency mining company. On February 12th, I made a recommendation on the quantum finance community to buy in SOS when it was just at $7.44. As I anticipate it will continue its bullish run. I also stated that one should buy in the dips as it is in the parabolic rise. When it dipped last week at the $11 range, I did pick up more shares. If you have bought when it was at the time of my recommendation, you have now netted over 51%. On Friday, it closed at $11.27, up 62 cents or 5.82% on a 216% volume surge. Its MACD is super bullish. Its RSI is in the overbought territory. It formed a doji or near doji candlestick pattern and also formed a bullish pole flag pennant triangle. Be on the watch out for a breakout above the $12.50. I do anticipate the price target to hit the $17 to $18 range. The recent SOS price drop was due to its $86 million registered direct offering price at the market. This is the positive thing moving forward for SOS. It will need all the cash it can get in its hand to purchase more mining equipment to expand its operation and among other things. Do note that SOS is a super volatile stock as it's trading in parallel to Bitcoin, meaning if Bitcoin dips, it will dip and vice versa. Long term, this stock will continue its climb up north as analysts now believe Bitcoin is a possible alternative safe haven to park your money in or as a reserve asset. Secondly, it has potential to become the world's first accepted digital currency. Third, more and more big corporations could potentially buy into Bitcoin, creating shortages of supply, and among other reasons. So do let me know what you think of the 4 stocks I have mentioned. Will you buy, sell, or sit on the sideline? Love to hear from you. So there you have it. If you find the content of value, please leave a comment below. Do share, like, and subscribe if you have not already done so. Also hit the notification bell for my next video. Now let's go make some moolahs.